Hello, welcome to Simple and Smart Learning with TASNEEM SAIFY, and we are studying Inside the Atom in General Science Class 8. As you know, we have already started the topic related to the structure of atom. Today we are going to study about the atomic number. So now then, what is this atomic number exactly? So see children, you know that we have already studied that the atom, it is made up of subatomic particles, and that subatomic particles are negatively charged electrons, positively charged protons, and no charge neutrons. So depending on this, the numberings are there, and according to that, the two most important terms are presented. So first, that is atomic number. Then what is atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons present in the nucleus. That is the atomic number. Suppose here you are seeing that is 6 red color dots are there. So 6 red color dots means 6 protons are present in the nucleus. That means the atomic number of this element is 6. In this way, the atomic number is classified. Now, the number of proton means it is also equal to number of electrons. As you know that number of electrons and number of protons are always equal, as the positive charge and negative charge is equal, so the element is, or the atom is, electrically neutral. So only keep here in mind that the number of protons, because this is fixed in the nucleus. Electrons are continuously moving and they are jumping from one orbit to other orbit in the shell only. Here you will see the protons are fixed in the nucleus and they are not changing, or they are not sharing themselves. That's why that we in the sense scientist has taken as a atomic number. So the number of proton is nothing but the atomic number. Now here you will see the atomic number, it is denoted by the capital letter Z, and the atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons present in the nucleus of its atom. This is a perfect definition of atomic number. There is one example given that atomic number of hydrogen is 1. As you know that the hydrogen is introduced or invented in the sense discovered first, which is present in the nature, and the first time hydrogen was introduced to us. So hydrogen, when it is studied in deep, that time the scientist came to know in hydrogen only one proton is present. One proton means only one electron is present and no neutron is there. This is the first observation, and on that observation the number of proton is 1, the number of electron is also 1, so its atomic number is 1, and depending on this it is given the position in one particular table. So the atomic number is nothing but the number of protons in the element. Always it is in a whole number. Example, let's have another, that is oxygen. So the atomic number of oxygen 8. So from this number we came to know that oxygen in nucleus is having 8 protons. So there are 8 protons in oxygen's nucleus, which represents the atomic number 8. In this way the atomic number is given to the different elements. Let's have a look how to write. So in this way, O is the chemical symbol for oxygen. 8, which is written on the head, you can say, or right side or the top of the O symbol, that is the atomic number, and the name is oxygen, that is the element name, and below that the mass is written, that is the atomic mass, that it will come later on. Right now you concentrate on atomic number. Now here two more examples are there. Hydrogen is having 1 proton, so its atomic number is 1. Carbon Carbon is having 6 protons. So that's why the atomic number of carbon is 6. In this way, the atomic number is specified and given. So atomic number of oxygen we have seen. Let's have a pictorial presentation. Here you will see the atomic number denoted by capital Z and oxygen. So this is the atomic structure of oxygen. As we know, oxygen is having 8 protons. So 8 protons means oxygen is also having 8 electrons, because atom consists equal number of proton and electron. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और प्रोटॉन्स हमेशा इक्वल होते हैं. इसी तरह से प्रोटॉन न्यूक्लियस में एम्बेडेड होते हैं जो फिक्स होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द न्यूट्रॉन, एंड द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर ऑर्बिटिंग अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. सो दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर लिटिल बिट फ्रीली सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स, दे आर मूविंग कंटिन्यूअसली. That's why they are in a orbit. So here you will see the red color dots are the electrons. So they are kept in one particular orbits. So first orbit 2 electrons and second orbit 6 electrons are there. So 6 plus 2 8. In this way 8 protons 8 electrons. In this way the atomic structure of any element is drawn. But how this distribution of electron is done, that first shell 2, second shell 6, it will come later on. At the end of this topic you will see step by step. So now first we will concentrate on atomic number. Okay, so here one more example, that is helium. Now helium is at the second position. Why? Because helium is having 2 number of protons. 2 protons means 2 electrons. So that's why after 1 the second number comes 2. So helium is having atomic number 2 because it is having 2 protons. So in this way each and every element in our surrounding is distributed according to the atomic number and atomic mass number, along with that the number of electrons. So now let's move by atomic number or the number of protons present in an atom that represents the atomic number. There are some characteristics or properties of elements. ये elements के कोई properties होती है. Why it is required? Because for the reactive capacity, means for the chemical reaction, these things are required. Especially the electrons takes part in chemical reaction by sharing it to become the stable. स्टेबिलिटी के लिए ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स शेयर होते हैं एक दूसरे एलिमेंट्स के साथ. इसी तरह से ये रिएक्टिव कैपेसिटी इनमें होती है. सो दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो ये रिएक्टिव कैपेसिटी किस चीज़ पर डिपेंड होती है? नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स the number of proton is also same. So number of proton and number of electron, they are always same. So number of proton means atomic number. In this way the atomic number is given to any particular element. So this is what all about atomic number. Now the second term, that is atomic mass number. So what is atomic mass number? So it is nothing but mass of an atom. Simply the mass of an atom. Then what is the mass of an atom? So we know that the atom, which is made up of 3 subatomic particles present inside, and in these 3 subatomic particles you will see the green color circular balls are nothing but the proton, the orange color balls are neutron, no charge particle, and the red color balls which is surrounding the nucleus in orbit. जो 2 रेड कलर बॉल्स आप देख रहे हो वो ऑर्बिट में होते हैं निगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन. So now here we have seen the number of protons only. The count is called the atomic number. But atomic mass number means what? So it is the amount of, or you can say total of number of neutron and proton, means the mass of an atom concentrated towards nucleus. This we have seen. हमने देखा है कि एटम का मास उसके न्यूक्लियस पर डिपेंड होता है और न्यूक्लियस में होते हैं न्यूट्रॉन्स और प्रोटॉन्स. तो न्यूट्रॉन्स और प्रोटॉन्स means neutrons and protons, when they combine together it becomes the nucleus, and that is nothing but its mass. as we are not taking electron, because electron भी तो atom का part ही है, but we are not taking it why in mass, it is a negligible mass, बहुत 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 ही छोटे होते हैं जिसका mass negligible होता है और ये ऑर्बिट में मूव होते रहते. इट इज़ कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग इन अ ऑर्बिट. दैट्स वाई वी आर टेकिंग द कंसिडर इट एज अ proton and neutron is the considerable mass of an any element. So nucleus is considered as a mass of the any substance. So nucleus, that is neutron and proton. So that's why number of protons and number of neutrons is nothing but atomic mass number. See children, don't make confusion. The only number of proton means atomic number, and the addition or the combination or sum of neutrons and protons. तो न्यूक्लियस ध्यान में रखिए, न्यूक्लियस जो होता है उसका काउंट होता है मास नंबर, क्योंकि उसमें न्यूट्रॉन्स और प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं. सो इन दिस वे इन न्यूक्लियस you will see the two subatomic particles are present, and the count of that both subatomic particle is atomic mass number, and only number of proton is atomic number. So this is how the atomic mass number and atomic number are written. X is any element, and to write the atomic mass number or atomic number there are two letters is there. So atomic number is represented by Z and atomic mass number is represented by capital A. So number of protons and number of neutrons are nothing but atomic mass number. So let's have and some examples. Here X is an any element or the chemical symbol of the element we are writing. Then atomic mass number is written on the, you can say, base and index. You know how it is in mathematics, the same concept is there. That is Z, atomic number of proton is written at the base, and atomic mass number is written on the head, means on the index. So A, that is atomic mass number, and Z means atomic number. So carbon, in carbon there are 6 protons are there. कार्बन में 6 protons होते हैं, इसीलिए वो Z रिप्रेजेंट करता है एटॉमिक नंबर. नाउ नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स. न्यूट्रॉन्स कैसे पता चलेगा? सो मैक्सिमम टाइम द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स आर ऑल्सो equal only in some exceptional cases. So अगर 6 प्रोटॉन है तो 6 न्यूट्रॉन होंगे. So 6 plus 6 12. In this way the atomic mass number of carbon is 12. So atomic number is 6 and atomic mass number is 12. Let's have another example. Now here with pictorial presentation, the carbon atom. The atomic structure you will see, that is the 6 protons are there. So naturally 6 electrons are also there. So 6 proton and neutron are present in the middle, that is nucleus, and 6 electrons are in a orbit. So first orbit is having 2 electrons and second orbit is having 4 electrons. In this way 6 electrons are distributed. So number of protons 6 and number of neutron is also 6. So 6 plus 6 12. In this way atomic mass number of carbon is 12. I hope now you got the clear idea how to write atomic number and atomic mass number. Now one more example. Here aluminium. Aluminium, down there at base written 13. 13, that is the atomic number. So aluminium is having 13 protons. Okay. Now atomic mass number, which is written 27. 27 means what? कि 13 protons है तो 13 neutrons भी होने ही चाहिए. तो 13 plus 13 हो जाते हैं 26. But here it is 27. So there are some elements which is having number of neutron little bit varies, means कम या ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. ऐसे नहीं है कि फिक्स हो. इन फ्यू एक्सेप्शनल केसेस कुछ एलिमेंट्स में नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स 1 या 2 से ज़्यादा भी होते हैं. सो हियर यू विल सी कि नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इज़ 13 and here number of neutrons are 14. So 13 plus 14, 27. In this way the atomic mass number is there. All the elements, the number of protons, neutrons, electrons are already given by scientists. So you don't have to think कि अब हम कहाँ से ढूंढे. No, all things are already discovered. Only you have to study carefully. Now another, that is the nitrogen. Second example. So here you will see nitrogen is having 7 atomic number. मीन्स नाइट्रोजन में 7 प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं, ठीक है, और 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी होते हैं. इन दिस वे 7 न्यूट्रॉन्स भी होते हैं. सो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन 7 प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन 7, 7 प्लस 7 14. So बन जाता है atomic mass number 14. In this way the atomic number and atomic mass number are given. Few more examples we will see with the pictorial presentation. So here is the element fluorine. Now fluorine, here you will see the number of protons are 9. Now in the nucleus, यहाँ से आपको थोड़ा काउंट करना मुश्किल हो रहा है तो आप इलेक्ट्रॉन काउंट कर सकते हैं. आपने इलेक्ट्रॉन काउंट किया, इट इज़ टोटली 9 बिकॉज इन फर्स्ट शेल 2 and in second shell 7. So 7 plus 2, 9. In this way the 2 shells are there, 2 orbits are there and electrons distributed, and 9 protons are present in the nucleus. But here you will see कि there are 10 neutrons. Fluorine में 9 नहीं तो 10 neutrons होते हैं. So 10 plus 9, 19. So atomic number is 9 and atomic mass number is 19. In this way the atomic mass number is given. Now let's have one more example, that is chlorine. Now chlorine there are 17 protons. 17 protons, so that means 17 electrons. तो atomic number हो गया 17. But what about mass number? So there are 18 neutrons. अब यहाँ पर एक और ज़्यादा neutron है. So 17 plus 18, it becomes 35. So atomic mass number of chlorine or atomic mass of chlorine is 35. In this way the atomic mass is given. So here you will see chlorine is having 2 different criteria or the atomic mass number, because in one chlorine there are 17 protons, 18 neutrons, so 35. Atomic mass number is 35. And in few, you can say the chlorine also contains 17 protons and 20 neutrons. और एक न्यूट्रॉन बढ़ गया, 2 न्यूट्रॉन्स बढ़ गए, ऐसे भी होता है. So 17 protons and 20 neutrons. क्लोरीन तो एक ही है लेकिन इसका और एक टाइप निकल आया. So there are 37, you will see, atomic mass number. So chlorine is having 35 also atomic mass number and 37 also atomic mass number. So there are such elements present in our surrounding or periodic table which is having atomic mass number different, थोड़े डिफरेंट, और एक से ज़्यादा 2 या 3 एटॉमिक मास नंबर हो सकते हैं. सो सच एलिमेंट्स आर कॉल्ड isotopes. It will come in later on. Right now only you concentrate on atomic mass. So here you will see depending on this atomic mass the numbering is given. So hydrogen is having 1 atomic mass number because it is having only 1 proton, no neutron, तो 1. Carbon 12 means 12 का half होता है 6, and as we know carbon is having 6 protons, so 12. Nitrogen is having 7 proton and 7 neutrons, so 14. In this way oxygen, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, and just now I told you ना chlorine 2 थे कि नहीं, क्लोरीन में 2 अलग अलग थे ना. हैव यू सीन हियर, दैट इज 35 and 37. So that's why here you will see 35.5 because chlorine's atomic mass number little bit varies. It is also having 1 neutron, 2 neutron, या 1 या 2 neutron कम ज़्यादा होते रहते हैं. So on that the mass is given. So its atomic mass is 35.5. So in calculating we are writing 35.5. And calcium 40. So this is how the simple table was given. So depending on the atoms, its symbol, atomic number, electrons, protons, the tables are drawn. Here you will see one more table according to page number 33. In textbook, atom, its symbol and number of electrons are given. Now look here, number of electrons यानी कितने electrons present है. जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है प्रोटॉन्स भी उतने ही होंगे. तो एटॉमिक नंबर भी ये बन जाता है. सो हाइड्रोजन इज हैविंग 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, so it is at the first position. Helium is having 2 electrons, so it is at second position. Its atomic number is 2. Lithium is having 3 electron, atomic number is 3. Carbon is having 6 electron, means 6 proton, so atomic number is 6. Nitrogen 7 proton, 7 electron, 7 atomic number. So in this way the number and the elements are properly designed and studied, and depending on the number of electrons, protons, it is given a specific place and position. But what about the distribution of electrons? Position तो हम दे सकते हैं, लेकिन electrons को distribute कैसे करें? इतने सारे electrons एक शेल में तो नहीं बैठ सकते. One example I will give. In your house, if you are having 2 rooms only, there is only 2 bedrooms और सडनली 10 मेहमान आ जाते हैं, तो वो 2 बेडरूम में आपको उन्हें एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा ना. एक बेडरूम में अगर सारे 10 के 10 मेहमान चले जाएंगे और आप भी वहीं पर रह रहे हो, तो ये तो मुश्किल हो जाएगी. तो आप क्या करोगे, जितने मेहमान फर्स्ट बेडरूम में एडजस्ट हो सकते हैं आप एडजस्ट करोगे, और एक्स्ट्रा वाले बचे हुए मेहमान आप दूसरे नंबर वाले बेडरूम में शिफ्ट करोगे. वैसे ही होता है. देयर आर electrons and these electrons are having a particular position and capacity limitations. So the first orbit, which is very close to the, you will say, nucleus, that we have studied already. तो जो बहुत न्यूक्लियस के क्लोज होता है वो थोड़ा छोटा ऑर्बिट होता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो हैविंग अ वीक एनर्जी लेवल, सो इट्स कैपेसिटी इज ऑल्सो लिमिटेड. वी हैव सीन दैट कैपेसिटी, इफ यू रिमेंबर 4 shells K, L, M, N. And according to quantum theory, the K shell is having capacity 2, L is having 8, M is having 18 and N is having 32. So depending on this criteria only the elements are classified, and you can say it is properly distributed, the electrons are distributed. So आप देख सकते हो हाइड्रोजन में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो वो फर्स्ट शेल में जाएगा. हीलियम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, सेकेंड शेल. नाउ लिथियम 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, सो फर्स्ट शेल की कैपेसिटी होती है 2, तो 3 में से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फर्स्ट शेल में गए. अब 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन बच गया तो वो उसके दूसरे वाले शेल एल शेल में चला जाएगा. एल शेल की कैपेसिटी है 8, तो 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तक यहाँ पर आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Neon is having 10 electrons. So first shell 2 electrons and next shell 8 electrons. तो नियॉन ने दोनों शेल कवर कर लिए. इस तरह से नियॉन के दोनों शेल कंप्लीट हो गए. अकॉर्डिंग टू कैपेसिटी तो नियॉन बन गया स्टेबल. In this way the electrons are distributed, and this distribution of electron in a proper shell, that is nothing but the electronic configuration of an element, means the maximum capacity of shell, and the electrons in an atoms are distributed in the shell according to capacity. So shell wise distribution of electron in an atom is called electronic configuration. यानी जितनी सेल की कैपेसिटी है उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उस शेल में एडजस्ट होने के बाद वो दूसरे शेल में एडजस्ट होते हैं. दैट इज़ नथिंग बट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, एंड दिस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज़ रिटन न्यूमेरिक्स वे, नंबर्स में लिखे जाते हैं. ओके, सो ईच इलेक्ट्रॉन इज़ हैविंग डेफिनेट एनर्जी लेवल. वी हैव सीन हर शेल का अपना एनर्जी लेवल होता है, तो उस तरह से ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया जाता है. सो नंबर ऑफ मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन इन ईच ऑर्बिट इज गिवन बाय द क्वांटम थ्योरी. ऑलरेडी वी हैव सीन दैट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट लेट्स हैव फ्यू एग्जांपल्स सो यू विल गेट क्लियर आइडिया. हाइड्रोजन, चलिए हाइड्रोजन छोटा है, एक है तो वही लेते हैं. देर इज़ वन प्रोटॉन मीन्स वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो यू विल सी द वन रेड कलर डॉट दैट इज़ प्रोटॉन एंड वाइट कलर डॉट दैट इज़ इलेक्ट्रॉन. पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड निगेटिव चार्ज. सो न्यूक्लियस पॉजिटिव चार्ज तो बीच में फिक्स है न्यूक्लियस में. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक ही है, सो it will take in first shell, it will leave in first shell. So its capacity is 2 shell. 2 shell की capacity है, लेकिन ये एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो एक शेल में काफ़ी है. So in this way the electron is distributed. Now here the electronic configuration of hydrogen is only 1 क्योंकि एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है. And the most important thing, आउटर मोस्ट शेल, ये सबसे खास होता है कि आउटर मोस्ट शेल में जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं उसी पर डिपेंड होता है बहुत सारी चीज़ें. वन बाय वन यू विल केम टू नो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स हैव सेकेंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. ठीक है, नाउ सेकेंड एलिमेंट हीलियम. Helium is having 2 protons and helium is having 2 protons means 2 electron. तो इन्हें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया गया. 2 protons, 2 positive charge, red color dot in the middle nucleus में. 2 electrons, both the electrons are distributed in first shell. So first shell both the electrons will fill. So first shell की capacity full हो गई. First shell में 2 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं K. If you remember that you have to keep in mind. वो चार्ट आपको लर्न करना होगा. There are only 4 options. K, L, M and this year. So that you have to just learn it. Very simple it is. Okay. So in this way you will see that is the 2, 8, 18, 32. Only the 4 capacities are there. In this year it is given. Okay, for your study. Now here helium. So 2 electrons. So here you will see the shell is full. और यही outermost भी shell है और यही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बनेगा. 2 helium का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन भी 2 है. Now here you will see in this picture helium. Here now neutrons are also there. In hydrogen you will see only proton and electrons are there, but in helium as the number increase, जैसे जैसे protons increase होंगे वैसे neutron भी add हो जाएंगे, neutron भी उसमें होंगे present, because you know that the positive charge and the negative charge is there. So both the negative charge and positive charge, opposite charges attract each other. तो वो एक दूसरे को attract करना शुरू करेंगे और क्या हो जाएगा, ये प्रोटॉन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की तरफ या इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रोटॉन की तरफ खींचे चले जाएंगे. स्टेबिलिटी नहीं रहेगी. So for that reason the neutrons which is present in the nucleus that bounds the protons with the strong nuclear force. So ये न्यूट्रॉन में strong nuclear force होता है जो कि प्रोटॉन को अपने न्यूक्लियस के बाहर जाने नहीं देता है, which doesn't allows the protons to go out with electrons. electrons के पास जाने नहीं देता क्योंकि opposite charge attract करेगा ना. So this neutron is having the strong nuclear force which bound this proton, and there is a proper bounding between the proton and neutron which is present in the center. So that's why protons are not moving and not going here and there. Now third example, lithium. Lithium is having 3 protons. 3 protons मतलब 3 electrons. तो 3 protons इन द मिडल न्यूक्लियस में आ गए. 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया. फर्स्ट शेल 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, कैपेसिटी फुल. सो अब एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रह जाता है तो खुद ब खुद वो दूसरे शेल में चला जाता है. और जो लास्ट वाला शेल है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड आउटर मोस्ट शेल. इनर शेल that is near to nucleus, outer shell that is after first shell. So first shell में 2 electrons और second shell में 1 electron. So in this way the 3 you will see electrons are distributed according to the you will say numbers and their shells. So first shell 2, so write 2 comma, second shell 1, write 1. In this way the electronic configuration of lithium is 2, 1. जैसा हाइड्रोजन की 1, हीलियम की 2, अब यहाँ पर 2. फर्स्ट शेल की कैपेसिटी फुल हो गई तो सेकेंड शेल शुरुआत हो गया. सो लिथियम 2, 1. So in this way the electronic configuration is written. So this is how few more example, nitrogen and oxygen. Now first we will see nitrogen. Nitrogen, there are 7 protons. 7 protons means 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो वी विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. प्रोटॉन्स तो बीच में है, न्यूक्लियस में है. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो फर्स्ट शेल फिक्स 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो फ्रॉम 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फर्स्ट शेल में फिक्स हो गए. तो हाउ मच रिमेन? 7 माइनस 2 5. सो सेकेंड शेल में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फिट हो गए. 8 की कैपेसिटी है ना, तो और 3 भी आ सकते हैं, बट हियर ओनली 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर. सो 2 minus, you will 7 minus 2 5. So in this way first shell 2, second shell 5. So 2 comma 5. This is the electronic configuration of nitrogen. Similarly oxygen. Oxygen 8 protons are there, 8 electrons are there. So electrons, first shell 2 electron, second shell 6 electron. 2 plus 6 8. So electronic configuration is 2 6. Atomic number is 8. In this way the electronic configuration is written. Now neon. As you know, I have told you the first example, neon. Neon is having 10 electrons. So 10 electrons are distributed. First shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons. अब दोनों shell की capacity full हो चुकी है. It is a maximum limit. 2 and 8. फर्स्ट शेल 2, सेकेंड शेल 8. अब ये दोनों शेल कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से फुल हो चुके हैं. अब इन दोनों शेल में कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन एडजस्ट नहीं होगा. दैट मीन्स द फर्स्ट शेल इज ऑल्सो कंप्लीट, सेकेंड शेल इज ऑल्सो कंप्लीट. सो इनर मोस्ट इज कंप्लीट, outermost shell is also complete. So that's why neon is stable. And that's why it is also called as an inert gases. जो हमारे नेचर में स्टेबल एलिमेंट्स है वो इनर्ट गैसेस भी कहा जाता है. देर आर फ्यू, दे आर प्रेजेंट इन अवर वन टेबल. सो इन दिस वे द 10 electrons are distributed to 8. So 2 8 is electronic configuration. So this is how, depending on the number of shell, the electrons are distributed. See, first shell K, maximum capacity 2, second shell L, maximum capacity 8, third shell M, maximum capacity 18, and fourth shell N, maximum capacity 32, and its energy level is also depending on that. We have already studied that. So this is how each shell carries the number of electrons. So on that basis only there are 118 elements. तो सोचो 118 मतलब 118 एटॉमिक नंबर भी होगा किसी का, और 118 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, 118 प्रोटॉन्स भी होंगे. तो सोचो इनका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसे किया जाएगा. The same pattern as a quantum theory. Here few examples for you. So you will see the first group, in that hydrogen, lithium, sodium. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ग्रुप फर्स्ट शेल, उसमें एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है. सेकेंड ग्रुप में 2 शेल्स है, थर्ड ग्रुप में 3 शेल्स है. तो जैसे नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इंक्रीज होंगे शेल्स भी इंक्रीज होंगे. सो दिस इज हाउ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर डन इन वन पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर. सो आप देखोगे वर्टिकल एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, एंड शेल्स और किस तरह से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नंबर इंक्रीज होते हैं उस तरह से उन्हें परफेक्ट पोजीशन दी गई है. Now here you will see group 1, group 14, group 17, group 18. तो बीच में वाले ग्रुप कहा गए. There is a particular table, and these all 118 elements are arranged in one particular tabular form according to number of atoms, means atomic number. एटॉमिक नंबर, एटॉमिक मास नंबर, ये बहुत सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक को ध्यान में रखकर एक टेबल बनाया गया है. एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट इट इज़ नथिंग बट द पीरियोडिक टेबल. सो हियर यू विल सी this is what the periodic table of 118 elements are properly and perfectly fixed and given a particular position. So this is how each and every elements are having fixed position in the periodic table. What is this table? It will come later on, not now. Right now only you concentrate depending on the atomic number. Each and every element is having one specific position, and according to that position they are properly distributed. So this is what the simple concept of atomic number, atomic mass number and electronic configuration. I hope you got the clear idea regarding the three most important terms. Remember, chemistry, it's really a very interesting subject, but you have to concentrate carefully. Once you will see, lifelong you will never forget. So keep in mind, enjoy the whatever you are learning. So once you will enjoy, 100% everything will be fixed in your mind. So this is what all about the simple structure of atom. Got it? Till then, I hope you got the clear idea. Visit to my channel, subscribe it, like it. Jai Hind.